Hey guys, I'm back again with a quick natural makeup look today. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off with my NYX eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid on both sides, making sure the product is even. And then I'm just going to go ahead, after applying that with my brush, I'm going to take my fingers and just smooth that out. And the warmth from your fingers will actually help heat up the product to help it blend better. Going in with a flat eyeshadow brush and some setting powder, you're just gonna go ahead and set that base with some setting powder, any kind, it doesn't matter. You can even use white eyeshadow if you want to. Now we're gonna get the burnt orange color out of our Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and we're just gonna put that over our brow bone. With a light hand with your brush, you're gonna wanna grab the brush kind of halfway and kind of wiggle that back and forth motions. Of course, you would want to just do the same on the other side. In that same palette, we're going to grab Realgar, and we are going to go in with the brush with circular motions this time in the brow bone crease. So you're just going to want to go in the crease of the brow bone there, right underneath where you put the burnt orange color, and you're just going to want to go in circular motions in that crease. And you're just going to want to go back and forth in circular motions until you get to that color pigment that you're looking for. Now this is another angle on the opposite side. Sorry, my angles aren't that great. I'm just working with what I have here. But basically you're just gonna go in those circular motions, and as you can see, I'm putting that in the crease of my brow bone underneath where I put the burnt orange color. And those are in circular motions with the brush. Now we have a e.l.f. palette. It's called Need It Nude, and we're taking that darkest brown and we're going to be applying that to the corner of our eyelid. So you're going to go in the crease of the brow bone and then bringing that down back to the corner of your eyelid. So, and you're going to go in those same circular motions that we did before, only we're going to be blending that out with that Regal color that we just applied. So you're just going to go in circular motions in that crease, and you can apply a little bit at a time if you feel more comfortable with that, because it's always best to start off with less, because you can always add more if needed. And then you're just going to want to bring that product down to the corner of the lid. And you're just going to want to keep adding that product with that flat eyeshadow brush to bring up the intensity of the color. Once you get to the color that you would like, what I did was I went in with a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, and just blended that all out just to make sure that everything was blended well. Now finishing off with the eyeshadow look, we're going to take that gold color that's midway of the Need It Nude e.l.f. palette, and you're just going to want to take it with a flat brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, and put it on the inner lid of your eyelid. So you're just going to want to add that until it gets to a nice golden pigment. And I will say this palette is like $10 from Walmart, and it actually has some really nice colors for the color payoff. The color payoff is really nice. I will say the white isn't as great. It's kind of chalky, but it's still a great palette for $10, so definitely check that out. So I grabbed a beauty sponge and I actually took some setting powder and just went underneath the corners of my eyeshadow just to clean that up a little bit. So you can grab any beauty sponge or a brush or something and just apply that there on the corners just to clean that up a little bit so it looks more neat. Once you get that taken care of, you're just gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner. I'm personally using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, which is my favorite go-to liner. And we're just gonna take that and just draw our wings on. And I like to start with my wings first and then work my way to my lid. Now taking some mascara, we're just gonna put that on. I'm using Revlon and we're putting that on the top and the bottom. Then I just applied some lashes and that was it. And this is the final look here. And that was our quick natural tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.